In this video, I'm going to show you how to stop iPhone notifications quickly. Is your iPhone constantly buzzing with notifications every few seconds? Let's fix that fast. In this video, I'll show you how to silence everything or turn off notifications for specific apps in just a few steps. So to start, the fastest way to stop all notifications instantly is by using Do Not Disturb. So swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open Control Center. Now look for the crescent moon icon, tap on it. Now select Do Not Disturb. So once you do that, it silences all notifications. So your iPhone will stay completely silent, no alerts, no calls, no interruptions. Now, next thing you can do is to turn off notifications for specific apps. So to do that, open Settings, tap on Notifications, scroll down a bit, scroll to the list of apps. So select the app, for example, Drive. Now turn off Allow Notifications. So repeat this for any app you want to silence. I would also like to do it for Discord. Tap on Allow Notifications to turn it off. And repeat this for any app that you want to silence. Now, Do Not Disturb blocks everything instantly, and App Settings gives you full control over what alerts you. And that's it. Whether you wanted total silence or just fewer distractions, these two methods give you full control over your notifications. And that's it. Thanks for watching.